Welcome. In front of me is a WAHOO Elemnt Roam, and I'll be going over unboxing and just a quick look at the build quality of this GPS bike computer. So anyway, let's just pop it open. There we go. Oh, one more seal. There we go. Okay, so there it is. So it's booting on. Now below here we have all the accessories that you will need to mount it to your bike. Type-C cable. And yeah, that's basically everything that you might be looking for, along with a quick instruction on how to mount it and a QR code for downloading their application. I'm taking a look at this. It feels like it's very solidly built. This thing just feels solid. Has a little bit of heft to it. At the bottom we have our charging port, Type-C. We have 3 rubber buttons, pretty decent, and then up and down right here on the side, along with the power button on the left side. Also peel that off. Ooh, and this is actually a matte display. Interesting. Now I'm not sure if matte display will get you any kind of advantage over glassy one when it comes down to outdoor usage, but maybe it does. The booting sequence is just wow. Like, can you do this a little bit quicker maybe, please? Anyway, we have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi on here by the looks of it, and obviously GPS as main kind of purpose of this. And well, anything else mentioned on here? 25 plus hours of battery life, 64 gigabytes of storage, dual band GPS. That's actually pretty nice. Displays a touchscreen, 16 million colors, 2.8 inches, next gen TFT. What the hell is next gen? It's basically an LCD display. Like, what the hell are you next genning right here? And sensors, accelerometer, altimeter, and a gyroscope. So there we go. And the device still turns on. It's not fully turned on. So I'm gonna just cut away here. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.